Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the Refresh Your Car Odor Eliminating Vent Sticks. Yeah, essentially these are pretty much just, air fresheners in your car, but really simple, and I just really like them. I spend a lot of time in my car, a lot of time driving out of town, driving back from the, from the suburbs to downtown, etc. So it's really nice to have, my car always smelling fresh, especially because I also have a lot of people in my car pretty often. So I decided to get these, and I've been through tons of different air freshener brands. I use the Febreze ones a lot, kind of just got tired of the smell. I don't know, it was really overpowering every time for the first couple of days, so I didn't really like that, and I don't know, a couple other ones as well, but I settled on these and I started getting these a lot, and I really dig them, especially compared to like the old traditional kind of pine tree style air fresheners. Those are just like, so old school and just like, I don't know, never quite smell right to me. They smell more like magic markers. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about these. So as for the actual look or the build of them, comes with 6 sticks. As you can see, 2 of them are already gone. I have one right here that's already up in my my vent, as you can see. But it comes with 6. Great, to have that many, to not have to continuously purchase air fresheners. It's really nice. You just get, 6 in one pack, and they last for a good amount of time, Honestly, one of these things probably lasts a few weeks. So, really I'm solid for about 2 months if I'm not like totally like destroying them. So it's pretty good. On the pack it says that, you have 2 scents that come in 1 stick: Summer Breeze and Alpine Meadow. I could not tell you the difference between the 2 scents. I mean, I don't know, it's a strange little marketing thing they might have just done. I don't know if, you really just put them on there one way and then it's on. So, you're not really getting a difference in smell, but maybe the 2 smells together create something better. Who knows? Good thing is they do actually smell pretty good. And they're not too strong, which is a huge thing for me with the air fresheners. I hate when I pull them out of the bag and they're like super strong and just, really mask everything in your car with a horrible like chemical scent. These, aren't too poignant. Nice, and they kind of have an Alpine Meadow smell, I will say. So, it's cool. The packaging, as you'll see, comes with a nice, you open it up, comes with a nice plastic slip, so there's another film of plastic right here. Essentially what I believe that's for is so, you can store the rest of them that are not in use without exposing them to air or oxygen or anything, so they'll retain their smell. I usually just take the rest and I'll close it back up in the plastic, put it in my glove box or something. I've never had an issue with that. They always remain fresh. It's always really nice, so don't really have to worry about that. The cool thing about them being so small, also about this packaging being so slim, is that I can easily store it in my car. Keep them stored away. And the thing about these being small that I really dig is that they don't look super tacky in my car. When you're dealing with like the pine tree big air fresheners, I don't know, there's always just this like tacky look to them. But I mean, as you can see, it's like barely on my air freshener. Air conditioning vent. It looks very discreet. Overall, you can really barely tell it's there, but it still provides a really nice smell. One thing I will say that like kind of bugs me about these, but I've learned a way around it, is that they have kind of trouble fitting in certain air vents. So as you can see, that one right there, I had to fit it in a weird way, like around. Usually you stick them in, but my car's air vents are a little weird. But I also assume that other people have air vents like this, so one thing I will say is that these smell stick pieces aren't very thin, so you will have to maybe finagle it around your air conditioner for it to really fit in there nicely. And then also you're going to have to be pretty much running your air or have some air coming through the thing to make sure that it runs quicker. But yeah, other than that, You know, these Refresh Your Car air sticks are pretty solid, I will say. And, you know, if you want a good smelling car, which you should, I would highly recommend looking into these. Alrighty, guys. Take care.